hard in the industry for over 10 years. Time and experience made it one of the most important employees in the company. In some regions, you can even get hundreds of bucks an hour. But now, your skills, your position may well be easily replaced by a machine. In front of you is a handheld laser welder, the creation of modern industry.
Laser gun, wire feeder, laser source and cooling system, and various welding modes.
Highly integrated. Almost everything is automated. All you have to do is just trigger the start button and aim the laser gun at the position you want to weld. It allows people who have non-welding experience to master difficult welding work in a short time. To verify how powerful the machine is, I will challenge a 10-year skilled welding engineer with it.
Welding Greenhand versus 10-year skilled welding engineer. Highly integrated handheld laser welder versus traditional TIG. Who will be the winner? I have never done welding work before. To be honest, I am very nervous and stressed. But I am confident in my laser welding machine. We chose fish scale welding as the battle event, which is extremely difficult and is considered to be the most advanced welding scale in the world. The weld seam is fish scale-like. My first welding was terrible. My movements were distorted because I was so nervous and it made the welding look very bad. I asked the technician how to control the welding gun so that it can move at a constant speed in a straight line. Second trying. Check this weld seams a little better, but not good enough. Third trying. Gosh, look at this weld. It's awful pretty. It really looks like fish scales, one by one on top of another, with metallic luster. It took me around an hour learning how to move the welding gun smoothly, and I think this is the highest level I can achieve in a short period of time. Now let's take my work to challenge 10-year experienced welding expert. Here we go. 师傅，您从事焊接行业有多长时间了？
干了10年了。
那对我们今天的这一次比赛有没有信心？
有，非常有。
好。He seems to already have an answer, but we still found another expert from the factory to review our work. Obviously, we did win the match.
你们这么高，以后焊工还拿什么吃饭吗？
The layman defeated a welding expert with 10 years of work experience in just 1 hour. That's the power of this machine. If you hire an expert, you need to pay him a very high salary every month. In fact, you can use this money to purchase such a machine and work on your own, or hire a much cheaper worker. I have to say that the development of industrial technology is gradually causing workers to lose their competitive power. Our laser welding machines have been sold to more than 40 countries and regions worldwide. These machines are helping their owners improve work efficiency and create increasing wealth around the world. If you'd like to consult more related questions, follow me and leave a message.